Hey, what's going on? This is Asia Tyler, and you're listening to my audio demo.
Hey, do you love the game of basketball and winning prizes? Well, on Tuesday, June 16th, the Quicken Loans Arena, 1256 Field Street in Cleveland, Ohio, will be holding a basketball tournament at 3 o'clock. Have you ever been at home watching YouTube and thought, where can I learn to do that? Or was listening to the radio wondering, how would you sound live on air? Ohio Media School teaches you all there is to know. The Ohio Media School offers hands-on coursework and... Hey you! Yeah, you. Are you tired of your hair looking a hot mess? Are tired of your lace front sliding back and showing the edges you may or may not have? Or are you tired of your feet looking crusty and rusty and your nose looking like who did it and why? The definition of depression are feelings of self-doubt and unhappiness. As many as 2 to 3% of children ages 6 to 12 may have serious depression, and an estimated 2.8 million adolescents ages 12 to 17 in the United States had at least one major depressive episode. If you're suffering from depression, what's up? Y'all are tuning into WKIR The Station, where we keep it real. Coming up this Saturday, here in Cleveland, we are hosting our first annual fundraiser, No Man Left Behind, which is a charity for the less fortunate and displaced families. This fundraiser will allow us to help shelters provide more beds, food, and clothes for those. How much people buy of that. Know what people want from that. Like if you want to sell lashes, for example, like I do, you have to know who you can reach out to, who is going to gravitate towards that type of thing.
Thank you for listening to my audio demo. Once again, this is Asia Tyler, and contact me, email me at elizabeth21.at@gmail.com.